guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. आज की video is a gym wear haul. I got some new gym wear pieces for myself and I wanted to share it with you guys. So here we are. I've tried almost all gym wear brands right now, जितनी भी major known brands है. And I'm going to share something जो कि मैं अभी नए लेके आई हूँ and they're very very comfortable and they're going to last you a long time because I have products from this brand पहले से भी. So yeah, it's a good brand to have. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. The very first thing that I got is this tank top that I'm wearing right now. This is like an active wear top that is super versatile. मतलब मैं ये बाहर शॉपिंग करने जा रही हूँ तो इसके ऊपर एक शर्ट डाल के भी जा सकती हूँ, मैं जिम भी इसको पहन के जा सकती हूँ एंड यू नो मैं पैडल खेलने जा रही हूँ या मैं कुछ भी करने जा रही हूँ. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी वर्सेटाइल टॉप एंड आई लव पीसेस लाइक दीज जो कि मैं कहीं पे भी पहन सकती हूँ. सो या दिस इज व्हाई आई गॉट इट. इट इज वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल. इट इज slightly compressing as well because of the material, but I like it. It's not very suffocating to wear. It's a good product. The material is really good and I think I'm going to get it in other colors as well. Black में मैंने पहले try करने के लिए लिया था and it looks really good on me, so I'm definitely going to get it in other colors as well. This is from Kawa, which is one of my favorite activewear brands because their material is so good and soft. I think it's one of the best materials जो कि मैंने किसी भी Indian activewear brand में देखा है. I've tried Bliss Club, I've tried Sika, Kika, whatever it is. Bliss Club is also comfortable, but this is more comfortable than Bliss Club. Let me be honest with you guys. So yeah, you can definitely invest in it. And slightly expensive, but on Amazon maybe you can get it at a discounted price right now. So do check out the prices. I am going to link everything description में. So prices check कर लेना. It is very very good. आँख बंद करके आप ले सकते हो. Is another top that I got. It's like a sports bra plus top, थोड़ी सी लंबी sports bra. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's a beautiful pink color and it's halter neck and it's so comfortable. I literally wore it to the gym yesterday and I was very comfortable throughout. This is how it looks from the front and this is front. This is how it looks from the back and this is also from Kawa. Removable cups. Similar to this one also has removable cups and बहुत ही प्यारी क्वालिटी है. I absolutely love having Kawa के products. मेरे पास और भी कुछ products हैं, मुझे लिंक मिलेगा तो मैं ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन में उनका भी डाल दूंगी जो मैंने पहले खरीदे थे and they are still very much in use. I use it almost every day for my gym and बहुत ही अच्छे and comfortable products हैं. So yeah, this is available in multiple colors by the way. If you're not a big fan of pink, you can get it in blue. I think black भी है, white भी है. So there are a lot of color options for you to choose from. The product that I got is sports bra. Now मैं sports bra usually नहीं खरीदती हूँ ज़्यादा क्योंकि मेरे पास already बहुत हो गई थी. But I thought let me try this one. This is slightly affordable than other sports bra, but it is very comfortable to be honest. This is from Jockey, I think. Yeah, this is from Jockey and this is how it looks. It doesn't come with pads, but it's good because मुझे कभी-कभी बहुत uncomfortable भी लग जाते हैं pads. Sometimes I just want to wear it and wear a top ऊपर से and it's the most comfortable thing ever. So इसीलिए मैंने padded नहीं मंगाया. If I want, I can add pads and then wear it. So it will be very very comfortable that way as well. तो इसीलिए मैंने ये मंगाया है. Material is really good and it is affordable as well. This is by far the most comfortable tights that I own and I absolutely loved it. Kika or Sika, I don't know, KIC is the brand name. Very plastic. I did not like it. Bliss Club comfortable, I like it, but slightly thicker material, तो इसीलिए मुझे थोड़ी सी गर्मी लगती है उनको पहनने में. But this is like a perfect middle ground. It is so comfortable. The material is so nice and stretchable. Very very comfortable. Doesn't feel like plastic and it has pockets again. दोनों side pockets है and the color is also something that I really liked and it will go with the pink as well और वो brown वाले top के साथ भी ये बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. I wore it yesterday for the gym and I was very comfortable throughout. That's it for the video. Those are all the things that I got and I hope you liked it. If you liked, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. सारे links description पे है. Do check it out. I'll see you next time. Bye.